everybody, my name is Sandeep and everybody loves to call me Sandeep. And guys, today I'm going to tell you a little bit sad story about my life.
I have a lot of money I want to put somewhere where I will get interest.
Oh my god!
क्या कुछ करना पड़ रहा है पॉइंट के लिए?
Most girls call me daddy.
Okay,
The show's not going to come out, but we are coming out tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
Hello and welcome to Game Night, an interesting game show where two celebrity guests come in front of a live audience where they talk about their journeys, their success, and everything in between.
Guys, quiet! Is this fish market or it's class?
And as they do that, quiz questions come up on the screen and the audience needs to select the correct answer.
Because my father never believed in me, and my father always used to say,
I'm giving emotional background music.
At the end of the show, the top 3 audience members with the most points will win cash prizes. There's multiple rounds, loads of prizes, and a lot of laughter. So let's begin Game Night with Anil Lobo.
Anand and Sandeep, one of the best stand-up comedians and the best reel makers in the market. Thank you so much, guys, for coming.
Thank you
How
so
are you
much.
feeling?
Bro, honestly, I just want to say I'm inspired by the guy that was playing the guitar before this because I was listening to it backstage and I was just in my head like, Papa kehte hai mera naam badega.
Okay, so you don't speak Hindi. Okay.
my father will not be proud, especially of your Hindi.
My Hindi is not that bad. I was able to sing. Was my singing good?
Bro, after your Hindi, people will forget their
You're
original
not even-
Hindi.
She's not even Indian and she's saying my Hindi is bad, man.
It's audible quite, like you can understand.
So you can play the guitar or something?
I always wanted to learn guitar because my father never learnt, and he said that my son will fulfill my dream of scoring chicks.
Okay.
I think it's better you learn the sitar, bro. And you stick to chickens, not chicks.
Awesome, guys. Thank you so much once again for coming. So let's begin the show, guys. I know this is the first time for most of y'all. The first round that we're going to have right now is called the podcast game. Can you tell us your birthdays, guys?
Already knows your birthday in the crowd.
Once again, can you tell the audience what's your birth date?
October
Date?
2020.
20 October. Anand, what's your birthday?
May 14th.
May 14th. Oh, few days from now. Okay. Supposing we spoke about their birthday, a question can come up something like this on your screen. Now, if Anand's date of birth is 14th May and Sandeep's date of birth is 20th October, what is their star sign? There are 2 correct answers. You need to select the 2 correct answers. Can we have the options on the screen? So we have Taurus in red, Cancer in blue, Capricorn in yellow, Aries in green, Libra and Aquarius in teal and purple color. What do you think are their star sign? There are 2 answers. You need to select 2 answers and submit it.
They have sound effects for this?
We try to up the production.
Bro, this is production level.
Yeah. Any tips for them, guys? What do you think is your star sign?
Guys, my Mercury is in retrograde, so
My star sign is Aries
Okay.
that's impossible.
because the planet configuration changed in the last 50 years.
50 years
confusing
or
them.
15 seconds. How did it just... We can see that your birthday is 20th October.
Bro, now the planets have changed due to global warming.
Bro, you're just confusing
You're
them. I
confusing
swear to
them.
God. They also can't understand the question. And meanwhile, you're
They
saying...
are all watching IPL scores.
Okay, guys. I think it's enough time. Let's show the answers up on screen. Yeah. One of the most interesting things that I want to discuss with you all is something like this. It is basically how did they end up in this journey. So one of the major reasons why they are famous is about their series on job interviews. They've made some amazing reels and have great views. Like one of them has like 94 million, 60 million, 15 million.
Bro,
right?
we should have charged to be here, man. I told you we should have asked for money.
Uh-oh.
My father used to tell always, no money, honey.
No money, no honey. Okay. Tell us something about this. Like, how did this journey start?
It's okay. I'm used to this, bro, because honestly, guys, Sandeep doesn't know how to appreciate things sometimes. So I remember when we first went viral, I called him up on the phone. And of course, I was editing every single reel until 3 a.m. in the midnight. He was in the Bahamas on the beach, just drinking cocktails on the beach. And I called him up and I said, Sandeep, it finally happened. We got 90 million views on a reel.
90 million.
And his response was 90 million views, only 200,000 followers. What is this shit?
And Zanzibar, not Bahamas.
What's even worse about it is he's like 90% of it is men. Where are the women?
Sandeep, tell us something about this. Like, how did it start? I think there's a great story behind it, right? That's why I put it up.
Yeah, he was always admiring me when I was doing stand-up comedy.
That's not true at all.
And then one time he said, bro, I want to do collab with you. I said, I don't take strangers and men.
Yeah, so interestingly,
Tell that.
interestingly, I don't, if I'm not wrong, before these reels, I think you all didn't know each other, right? Before this reel, or did you?
I
all
wish
know?
I didn't know him, but
Okay.
yeah, we knew each other before this. We used to do stand-up comedy in the same bars, like
Fisherman.
Fisherman's Hub.
Not fisherman. We used to do. I used to do stand-up comedy for since 2012.
Oh, just because women are listening now, you're starting to just.
We all are married women. And then I used to open for a lot of acts, but I never wanted to do. Basically, I was not getting popular by doing stand-up comedy. Then, although I was winning lot of contests and everything, and then finally I saw him doing lot of podcast with some Emirati guy, and he was doing lot of. Like he was doing really well in the podcast arena.
Uh-huh.
Long story short, I changed his life, guys. I mean, it's very simple. You're not gonna say.
Yeah. That I have to give it to him.
Awesome. So let's have a question about this, okay? The next question is going to be a scroller. Now, they are very famous for their viral views. You need to guess the most viewed video on Instagram has how many views?
Can we guess too?
Yes, what do you think?
I'm gonna say like around 500 million. No, wait. There's one with a billion. I think.
It's from 100 million to 1,000 million, okay? So,
1,000.
The most
1
viral
billion.
was 723 million.
That's so oddly specific.
Because my father used to tell always never lie.
okay. What?
Bro, how can it be 700 million when there's a video with a billion views on it?
Yeah.
No, the billion view is not right. You are lying. Billion view is Rihanna's song. Put a
Yeah,
ring
you need
on
to
it.
scroll. You have to scroll to the answer. So, from 100 million to 1,000 is 1 billion. What do you think? 400 million? 500 million?
723 million guys. Just click it and win the prize.
Okay.
Tell me this pen. 723 million.
That's not.
Let's check the answer, guys. The answer is up. Let's see. 731?
What?
Is it?
No.
It's not. It's not.
No way. Yes, 500. Let's go.
Guys,
Boom.
723
560 million. Wow. 560 million, guys.
And it was a reel of an egg.
No. Anyone
Football?
knows? Anyone knows? Made in India. Oh, we'll give you some prize later
Oh,
on.
he
He
is
knows.
our editor. Not supposed to participate.
He can. People can. Whenever you have some questions or you want to say something, you can say, okay, free. Feel free. Only thing, you'll be recorded. Because if you say something wrong, we don't want to get to jail. We'll put you to jail as well. So everyone go to jail, okay? Next thing that I want to talk about you is specifically with Sandeep, right? So we had given them a huge questionnaire where a certain thing he mentioned 3-4 times. So I had asked him the biggest mistake or a blunder that still haunts Sandeep, okay? And he said, losing money in real estate. And there are a lot of other questions where same thing he just copy pasted. I don't know for what reason. So I want to know.
I did not say that. I said biggest mistake was getting married.
Also, can we just appreciate for a second the way Sandeep types, you guys, because it starts capital L, losing money in real estate, all lowercase, ... capitalized S for some reason, stocks.
Bro, that is not what I typed. That is Anil Lobo.
It's your thing. I took a screenshot. It's a screenshot. Yeah, okay. Just tell me why is it so close to you? What happened? Why did you lose so much money?
Because I did not follow my father's advice. My father always told me invest only in fixed deposit. And he is making more money after retirement than me when I am still young. And I am telling you guys, never invest in stock market unless you know each and everything about inside out about the fundamentals, P ratio and what else?
I don't know. But just to understand how much money you have lost in that, if you can share.
Almost all of my life savings.
How much was that? How much was that? Can you give a rough figure?
He started with stocks, he ended up with Why are you high-fiving me? Why? Don't high-five me for that.
Have you invested in stock? Anything?
I don't mean to brag you guys, but I've invested in cryptocurrency. So I now own 500 million Shiba Inu coin.
Nobody is investing in crypto here to know what is hell is Shiba.
It's worth one shawarma.
Shawarma still has got money, bro. Mine is more tragedy than.
Okay, let's put up the next question. The next question is about a recent event that happened in the stock market. The question is on your screen. On April 2nd, 2025, that's few days back, what was the reason for the biggest global stock markets to begin to experience a downturn and increased volatility? Right? This is so why was it, what was the reason for the markets to crash on April 2nd?
This is why I hate you, Anil. You expect this to be a regular thing that people
It's
just
easy.
know.
It's
Leave
easy.
this to professionals.
Yeah.
You know the answer?
It's because of Trump tariffs.
Arre, why you had to say? Okay. He gave the answer. Option to let me say.
That was actually the answer.
No, but the people might not think that is the real answer.
Okay, the options are the option.
Hey, USA, I said Trump.
That's the same thing.
Bro, it is not
Guys,
the
go
same
ahead and
thing, it
type
is
in your
USA.
answers. The
Not
fastest
Trump is
one
not
wins the
Trump.
point.
That is why you lost all your hair.
Okay.
Bro, I told you not to talk about that.
But why you did not go to Turkey?
Can we go on? Continue, bro.
Wait a minute. He gave the answer, but there was still one person who did the wrong answer. Huge round of applause for whoever that was. Thank you. Okay, so next question that we asked Sandeep, who do you look up to as your role model? And he put father, because now why I put this in most of his videos, 90% of the videos, he starts with my father and all that. So I was
He
like,
doesn't
Nobody
watch the reels. He
I
clearly.
blanked
he
out,
was
yeah, I
like,
blanked
Bro,
out.
nobody is watching our reels in the first place.
Yeah, bro, you should have just made this all about tariffs, bro.
Sorry.
It would have done much better.
It's like my father always used to say. That's
Also,
the
he just ended with a comma there. Are
Yeah.
we just going to glaze past
He
that?
deleted the whole thing after that. I mentioned my girlfriend because my father never believed in me. And my father always used to say,
I'm giving emotional background music because I know this is about to be a long ass.
Okay.
Go, say.
my father when growing up used to always say, I have lot of belief in you, I believe in you, you have lot of potential. But when I took bad grades in university, he used to always say, don't worry my son.
Okay.
No matter what happens, I will look after you financially. And that gave me a lot of courage and motivation that I even tell my teenage son right now, then don't worry. Just do what your heart says. Even if you fail, does not matter because my father will look after both of us.
Okay. Coming back, let's have a question on this incident of Sandeep. Let's put the question up. It's a very simple question. When is International Father's Day? Now don't answer, wait.
I don't know.
Options are 21st June, 11th May, 8th March or 20th October.
It's actually 14th May
20th October.
because most girls call me daddy.
Hey, he deserves this.
It was not worth the wait.
Nice joke. Nice joke.
It's not worth it. No, it's fine.
It was good. It was good.
20th October, guys. Because my father was born on the same day as my birthday.
Oh, okay.
That is why it is called Father's Day.
Okay, so guys, I hope. Do you know the answer? Guys, seriously? Okay.
Wait, sorry, what was
Sorry. I thought you all having good time, so I let it do it, man. What do you think is the answer?
I think it's clearly 20th October. I'm
No.
also going to go.
20th October.
20th October is the right answer, guys. You will win 1 point.
Let's see what the answer, guys. Let's see what's the answer. Answer is it's 30th. Yeah, it's 30th, 21st of June. Sorry, 21st of June. The right answer. Okay. Next up, a very important thing that I'm going to put up next is about their lives. Something that is like I'm quite sure game changer for them. Let's have a look at that. So 1 year back, they performed at Dubai Opera, guys. So Dubai Opera is not like a small, not like this stage. It's a huge, big stage. We have some videos we'll play out next. Let me hear your story on this.
Yes, in childhood, he used to admire me. Okay.
Not that long story, but yeah.
It was a dream come true, man. It was almost 1,000 people that came to the opera, and we got to perform in front of them. And I honestly could tell when I was standing in front of the crowd that it was just a magical moment. I'm never going to forget it for the rest of my life.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sandeep,
Yeah, that was a dream come true. I called my parents. I even told them to come to my show. I booked tickets, everything.
but
Did they come?
No.
Bro, that's so dark and depressing. Why would you say that?
Yeah, but it is true.
Do you have some videos that we can play? Can we play some videos of that day? So this is okay. The door opens and this is what happens. Like, see the crowd. It's a huge place. One of the best places to perform in Dubai is Dubai Opera.
I really like Anil Lobo's research team because this is actually London. Fun fact.
He sent me this.
This is not Dubai
Bro, this
Opera.
is London show. Dubai Opera is another one.
You sent me this reel. I said,
I know,
okay.
but in a
I
way
said,
we can
okay.
also show that we sold
It's big,
out
yeah.
London.
Yeah, London also they perform. Yeah, London they perform. Yeah, huge round of applause. 2 Indians performing in London.
Support
Great.
Indians, guys, because everybody is Indian except one Spanish woman and one.
Racially, I'm because Dutch.
He's the camera person
You're
actually.
built
he's on
different.
camera. So the next question, because it is a reference to Dubai, there'll be a chronology of 4 events that have happened in Dubai. You need to guess what came first and what came later. So first one is Expo City, second one is Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Metro or Burj Khalifa.
International city.
Burj Khalifa, what the hell?
It's an international city.
I have lived in international city for a long time. They launch a lot of
Nobody
things.
asked you where you live. It is Burj Khalifa.
What came first, guys? What do you think came first? Burj Khalifa?
Burj Khalifa.
What do you think, Anand?
Dubai
Guys,
Metro.
Whatever I told you till now,
Dubai
you got
Metro.
points. So select Burj Khalifa.
It's Dubai Metro.
Okay, and next,
How
what do
would
you
you
think?
get to Burj Khalifa to
Oh,
build
you were
Burj
born
Khalifa
when
without the
Dubai
metro?
was launched.
These guys are going to confuse you all, okay? But yeah, remember cash prize. So
Sorry. Expo City.
Expo.
That came last.
Okay. Where is?
Expo City, but your answers are Expo Shitty. Stop giving me high fives. I'm roasting you.
Good one.
It's a good one. It's a good one. Okay, so guys, I hope you all have typed in your answers or scrolled your answers up. Let's see what the answers are. Let's put it up on screen. So Palm Jumeirah comes first, apparently. Just to let you know, only one person got it right. The first thing that came was Palm Jumeirah.
No
Then
way.
came Dubai Metro. Then came Burj Khalifa, and then came Expo City. Wow. You're learning something, right, on this show? I'm quite sure. We've spoken a lot about Sandeep right now. Now it's time for Anand, okay? Let's see what we have to talk about Anand. He's a TEDx speaker, guys. Anand has spoken for TEDx.
You never told me you went to TEDx.
This was a very pivotal moment in my life. My mom told me I couldn't be anything in life, and this over here, I'm dressed as Steve Jobless, you guys. So that's me giving a TED talk as Steve Jobless.
That is one thing about Anand is always puts himself down. You have to roast other people, not yourself.
I just roasted you 10 times before this, and you tried to high five me the entire time.
Nobody noticed, by the way.
So Anand, tell us something more. What you spoke, what happened, how did this happen in life?
So fun fact, this was actually done in a high school, in an Indian high school. So I got to perform in front of teachers and principals.
Okay.
So I got my fucking payback, bro. All of those teachers that doubted me, I was like, you, Miss Shilpa, you, Mr. Marthoma. And they sent me to the principal's office. So.
But tell the childhood story which led to this. That is very inspirational.
Bro, how long do you think this game show is?
Can you add?
Let's see. Let's see.
Yeah. The childhood
Do
story
you
is
have
very
a story?
Because all the Indian kids were having similar story, but his is more tragic.
Okay.
Tell, when you
Bro, so I used to be obese and I went to an all-boys school.
Okay.
So I used to be very, very fat. I was 120 kilos. I used to be very obese, you guys, and I went to an all-boys school. So while other boys were discovering for the very first time, the only pair I ever saw were my own.
Okay.
And it doesn't help that I have brown skin, so my nipples look like Hershey Kisses melting in the sun. I'm so glad Anil Lobo is recording this for his live show. Because that's
that
my
was the
main-
last show.
Okay.
Continue the story.
No.
Look at the audience.
Let it be.
Look at the audience.
Let's move ahead, guys. Let's put up a question about this, right? On your
That
screen.
guy is judging us like anything. This is
He's the cameraman, it's his job.
Okay, so next question on your screens, guys. Let's go. The question is, what does the X stand for in TEDx?
bro. That is we cannot disclose it.
What does X stand for in TEDx? The options are on your screen. Experimental, external, independently organized event or extension. Except Anand, I think Sandeep should try.
Independently organized event, guys, because I am the founding member along with the TEDx community. You can Google my name, Sandeep Fernandez TEDx. That
Really?
is how this guy got the opportunity and he took all the credit. But yeah, nobody laughed.
I don't know if it's right or wrong, guys, but you have to select the right answer.
An independently organized event is what Sandeep calls it when he's.
Guys, you have kids here actually, just to let you know.
Bro, I think at this time you can disappear from here.
Embarrassing. Let's see what the answer, guys.
Go on your no fame.
Anand, do you know you've done an. Okay, you put up the answer. So, for those who didn't know, in the photo that is there behind, it is clearly mentioned. I just don't know if you can put that up.
So
If
that
you'll have
was a
seen it.
right answer.
It
bro.
was the right answer.
But anyway, thank you to me.
Nobody there. Ah,
Hey,
Sweet
front
audience.
four row, bro. I'll take selfies with all of you. And video also. Huh?
awesome.
Tag me on the story. Eh?
Bro, he's going to kick both of you out and take pictures with the girls. I promise you. 100%.
No. I am very ethical.
Very ethic.
There's something very interesting about his style of comedy. You can do impersonations, right?
I can do it.
That was supposed to come out. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So can we hear some quick impersonations? Let's see if they can guess. And if
was
they can
about to
guess,
reveal.
we'll give some vouchers to them, I guess. Let's see.
All right. This is one impression of mine. Okay, ready? Please understand this, my friend. The Matrix is attacking me from every realm, and I will have you know that you are a brokey. You have no idea what I'm talking about.
If you know the answer, raise your hand. Okay, yeah, there. We have some.
Andrew Tate?
Andrew Tate, is it?
Andrew Tate? Pathetic! Yeah, you're right. It is Andrew Tate.
Huge round of applause, guys. You get a gift voucher of 100 dirhams. Great. Can you do another impersonation?
Okay. Yeah, ready?
I signed him.
Hello,
Raise your
everybody.
hand.
My name is Sandeep, and everybody loves to call me Sandeep. And guys, today I'm going to tell you a little bit sad story about my life. Because I never get any women, and my wife is always complaining about me. So, guys, please like, follow, and subscribe.
Obviously, no vouchers for this because he told his name in his. Yeah, you told.
Bro.
My name is Sandeep. You only did that.
My father will not be proud.
Okay, so guys, the next question is coming up for stand-up comedy. Which among the following is not a type of stand-up comedy? Which among the following options, okay, are not a stand-up comedy form? Dark, satire, improv, or rapid fire?
Rapid fire.
Bro, I need to get drunk. This is not happening.
Bro.
Go ahead.
No. What?
Go ahead.
You are not
Wait! Wait for 3 seconds.
Sorry. Improv.
Okay, so guys, I hope you've given your answers. Even if you know the answers, you need to be fast for the answers, okay?
Sorry. I will tell the truth. Satire.
Satire, okay. Let's see what's the answer, guys. Let's see what the answer is. The answer is rapid fire. Thanks. One last thing. If you could go back and give an advice to your younger self, what would it be? This is the answer that Anand gave.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it's the truth. If you want to get a hair transplant, I'm not looking at anyone in particular, sir. But that laugh had pain behind it. But it's okay, even I feel your pain. Get it done in Mumbai, India. Because guys, now my hair straight up out of my head. So when I'm in a horror movie with a girl, she's like, Anand, I have goosebumps. I'm like, yeah, I know, feel, touch. Me too. But you know what's the thing that pisses me off the most? Is people give me a reason why I'm bald. They're like, Anand, you know why you're bald? It's because Dubai water is bad for your hair. Have you guys heard this shit?
Yeah.
Dude, it pisses me off because it's not true. Because if Dubai water is bad for your hair, I have been using a shataf my entire life. And it's a jungle down there, Anil. It's a goddamn jungle. Continue. That's it.
So go to Turkey if anybody wants to, do the hair transit, just letting you know.
Now you know a lot more about me. You'll never be able to look at me the same.
We all know a lot about you.
Bro, put a laser treatment.
Okay, so with this, we come to the end of the first round. So next round we're going to have is crowd work. In this round, you guys will be involved. We are going to have 2 questions in this, one related to Sandeep and one related to Anand. There are going to be 3 options. It's called 2 truths, 1 lie. You need to guess the lie. Now we'll be putting up certain incidences of their lives. You have the options to ask 15 questions and guess what's the lie.
I'm actually excited to see this.
Let's see
what's going on.
First option is worked for one organization for 10 years. Okay. Next option is he has done a volcano expedition.
That's just what he calls it when he goes to the bathroom. Bro, stop giving me high fives. I'm roasting you.
And, and option number 3 is born and brought up in Mangalore. Let's put the 3 options on the screen now. You'll have to ask questions to guess what among the 3 is a lie. Anybody wants to start off? Raise your hands. Gasan wants to ask. Let's go.
Why was the lady laughing when you were doing a presentation?
Why is that the accent that came out of your mouth? Because I was not expecting that. I was expecting a very Middle Eastern accent out of you. And you're like, why is the lady over there?
Lebanese, bro, is Lebanese.
I know, but I was expecting
Lebanese
yeah, man.
Canadian.
I'm actually Desi.
You're Desi? Say
he
something.
was
Say
born
something
and
in
brought
Hindi
up
right
in
now.
Texas.
Say something in Hindi. If you say I swear to God, bro.
Chutia.
Okay, yeah. Just ask the
What was your
again.
question? Sorry, sir. What was
Once
your-
again.
Why was she laughing in this?
So in the
Because
photo.
I am a stand-up comedian. You, beep, beep.
Okay, question number 1 done. Question number 2. Anybody wants to ask?
Give me one good place in Mangalore that if you were born and brought up with.
I can tell you, it is Madras. Madras is in Mangalore? It is, no?
Don't make it too obvious. Like just say
Okay,
probably.
sorry.
You have to lie the lie. not like-
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Now somebody will come from the audience. and
No,
say,
what did you put?
Born and brought up in Mangalore. Volcano expedition.
But it should be Bangalore, right?
Mangalore. I know it's Bangalore also is there, but Mangalore, it's okay. You're playing the game wrong. Wait, you don't say anything. Anybody else? Another question? Yeah.
Okay, what country did you do the volcano expedition in?
None of your business.
Arey yaar. He got it, yeah. Don't worry. Sorry for that, yeah.
Bro,
Sorry.
don't take your father's.
No. Sandeep is no. Just answer
I'm
now.
gonna start a fight with this kid, bro.
Hey, bro, sorry. Don't kill
Sorry,
me.
sorry.
Don't stab me. He'll stab me after the show.
Yes.
Hey, bro.
Bro, you have to answer the question he asked.
I've
The
got
question.
very weak muscles. I will tell you. I think it was in. Bro, what I should. Germany.
Yeah,
Germany.
Germany is really known for their volcanoes, you know. Their
no,
beer
no.
drinking and volcanoes.
Oh, sorry. Not Germany.
This video is not going out.
Bangalore.
What the hell?
Bangalore. No,
Sandeep, you have to not lie for all the options.
You're supposed
Tell
to
the
make it
truth.
believable, bro.
Make it look the truth.
now truth.
Yeah.
Yeah, make the truth.
Make all the options look as the truth.
Okay, sorry. So I worked for more than 10 years for FEBC company. Some of my employees are not my employees, my friends.
Your employees. Oh,
My
okay.
family members.
Oh.
My former boss could never increase my salary.
Coming back to his question, the actual
this-
country where this happened. Yeah.
This is Indonesia in Java. I was part of National Geographic
Okay.
team. And they took me, I was one of the volunteers.
He was the caterpillar in the video.
Okay.
And then this one is when I first came to Dubai and I first got the job in Dubai. This is the boss. His name is Vijay Vardhane and this is Tahir Ibrahim.
Sandeep, so much truth
Bro,
also
they're
don't
not
want.
going to add them on LinkedIn
So much
after
also
this.
don't want so much truth. We'll wait for questions. Let's see some more questions.
Hi Sandeep, hi Anand.
Where is that coming from? Oh,
Can
hi.
you see me?
Yes.
Hello.
We
You're
can
giving
see
us a
you.
lovely evening. A round of
Thank
applause
you.
for you guys.
Yeah, you should.
Lovely,
Oh,
lovely
thank you
evening.
so much.
Can you tell me in that Bangalore picture, can you go back to the picture, Anil?
Hopefully.
Why is your pink shirt and your sleeves are longer? Why is your shirt bigger
Because
than your
that
size?
is my father's shirt. I came to Dubai with just one shirt and what?
One
Five
pant.
rupees- 5 rupees in my pocket.
So no pants, no underwear, just one
Used
shirt
to
and
that
five.
bloody hell.
Okay. Any other last question? Let's have a question there.
That's a photo in your office, right?
Yes, that is the photo in my office.
Then why is there wine served?
Because we are filming. You beep.
Filming what?
Filming my stand-up comedy. I was doing
It's
a
just a
rehearsal.
photo. It doesn't relate to it. Just a photo. Okay? Just a
No,
photo.
that's
doing
actually,
a
a very
comedy.
good question.
This was a birthday event.
Observation skills.
This was a birthday event. I was doing my stand-up comedy. If you are listening, which I'm sure you were, I was doing stand-up comedy for last 10 years.
He never mentioned that he did stand up in the office, bro. He just made this.
Bro, why can't I do in the office? Look at my employees. Swati, can you tell how much I was doing
How
comedy?
many beers did you have before?
Bro, there is my employees here. Former friends.
People from
Swati,
Sandeep's company make some noise just to know where you all.
Now they.
Oh, there they are. Okay.
Only 2?
Okay, let's stop over here.
After tonight, he will get
Where are the
resignation
rest?
letter.
From Dubai police. Okay, so guys, let's check what the lie is. The answer was he was born and brought up. He did do the volcano expedition, guys. That was the truth. Can we have some photos? He actually went on a volcano expedition, right? Whoa.
Bro, look at that picture of you up top. That's crazy.
These are all his photos. you know.
FBI would find in his computer.
Did you actually do this with National Geography or that was a lie? Like, what is it?
National Geographic, you can sign up for as a volunteer and they will select you to go on an expedition with them. I was one of the 150,000 people they selected from. So that was in 2010.
Oh, 2010.
So whatever you see on screen, they actually don't. Oh, thank you.
Great.
That is the loudest clap I got, more than my stand-up comedy.
Okay. Sandeep has also done some more like expeditions. Can we have some more photos of that?
Wow, brothers in the wild.
Yeah, this was a true story in Rwanda. What happened is when I went on gorilla expedition, one of these gorilla kids jumped up on a tourist which was a woman, and then the mother did not allow us to leave for the next 8 hours. We hoped that the camera would still keep running, but that time it was 8 years ago. There was no such thing as...
Reels. I think, yeah, we'll move ahead with
Hey,
it.
what about bungee jumping, skydiving?
Bungee jumping. If we have
Bro,
a
the
photos-
whole show is not about
Yeah,
you.
man. Next, Two Truths, One Life is on Anand's life. First one, accidentally got circumcised
Bro,
by his sister. So that's why I put the photo, just to make a...
that's not my sister, first of all.
Okay. Okay. This is what my team told me. Okay, fine. Next option is got arrested. Now you will have to ask where, what, why that you'll have
Don't
to...
even look like you got arrested.
It's a very strange picture.
Nobody clicks photo in the jail.
Very strange picture to use for me getting arrested. But
Okay. Next one, he was a phone salesman in Dubai.
should I
These-
bring the hair back or should I
This
be
was
bald?
the poll that you should have got arrested for.
Should I keep the hair or should I stay bald? I should stay bald? Okay.
He did the transplant, so you can actually... Let's put the 3 options on screen. First question, who is coming up?
What did you get arrested for?
What did I get arrested for? I was a freshman in college and I got caught with...
Oh no.
Hey, bro.
Oh no.
Bro, relax.
Please, not so much truth also, please.
Let me finish. I didn't think that far ahead.
Yeah, I don't know him.
What do you mean I don't know? No. The truth is I was walking outside of my university and I threw cans of beer on the ground without realizing that I should be recycling them. I was young and I got arrested for that. So.
Okay. Next question up.
How do you feel about being circumcised?
I mean,
That you have to ask is DICK.
I'm indifferent to it now. For the ladies wondering, it's completely normal now.
Okay.
But yeah, it's fine. I was accidentally circumcised.
We have a question back in over there.
Yeah. So, which phones did you sell as a salesman?
So I used to sell...
Nokia.
No. Back in the day when the Blackberries used to come out, so I used to basically go around in different parts of Sharjah and Dubai and sell them to people for phone companies. So.
Okay.
Cool.
Next question, anybody?
I feel like we moved past the first option very quickly. What happened? There's so many questions there, actually.
Yeah, basically I was like 6 years old, and I was running around the house naked like you do, like every 6-year-old kid.
What?
And I was running around with my Shamalama Ding Dong out in my full view, and my sister was on the phone and she was talking to her friend. So I went in front of her and I did the helicopter like that, which I thought, by the way, classy move. Come on, guys, for a 6-year-old, it's not that easy to pull it off. But she got pissed, so she picked up a tissue box. You know the fine tissue, that one? And she chucked it at me at great velocity, and it hit me. And then I started running around, and I got circumcised that way. So I went to the doctor, and my mom said, "Can we get a discount because it's already half off?"
Okay, question. Next question.
Was so fragile.
Can we not have questions over here? Next question. Anybody on the audience? Yeah.
In which country did you go to jail?
That was USA.
USA.
Yeah, New York.
That is the point when the fine hygiene tissue paper box got famous.
Oh.
It was a fine cut.
Any other question? We'll put the question up on your screen. You need to guess from the three what is a lie. Ensure you click on the right color. Okay. Got arrested, the blue option or the yellow one.
What's the blue option? Say it. And look at me in the eyes when you say it.
Accidentally got.
Hey, I'll tell you the answer. Can I tell?
Yeah, go ahead.
No, you can't tell the answer.
Got arrested is a lie. He never got arrested because it was in USA.
Oh.
Throwing beers, what he'll get arrested?
Sandeep is just worried that he's
who you are
going to get
trying to
deported
fool?
by proxy because he knows.
Bro, in USA, if you throw beer can, what you get arrested? No.
The answer is phone salesman in Dubai. He did get arrested and he did get accidentally. Yeah, correct. With this, we come to the end of the second round. The third round, let's begin. That's called Face Off. So in this round, Sandeep and Anand will be facing off each other. They will need one person from the audience who wants to join them on stage, okay? This round is called Guess the Location. They will be given 5 locations each. They will have to have conversations that you normally have at that location. They cannot tell you what the location is.
He said, you know, you want to know what he said? He said, brother, if this is about geography, I'm American. I'm fucked.
Okay.
I'm so glad I selected you, bro. That's really good.
It will not be so difficult also. Easy locations, don't worry. Very, very easy locations. So you have to guess what the first location is. It's done by team Sandeep. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Bro, I want to put lot of money I have. I want to store it somewhere in a proper place where I will get interest. I have a lot of money I want to put somewhere where I will get interest. Fixed deposit, everything.
Okay, so I guess you'll have guessed.
account number.
Okay, very nice.
Bas, ho gaya.
Can I get a gin and tonic, please?
Answer is bank, correct? The second.
Okay.
Got it? 3, 2, 1, go.
I was really thinking about us, and I know you wanted to go to Spain.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, babe.
But listen, I don't have the money to go.
Yeah.
So we can just have one of these that's close.
Oh, we can have a little bit of a...
It's not a vacation, but a...
Oh my God! It's like you're my bae, and I'm your bae,
yeah,
and
of
we're
course.
on a vacation together.
But
in
it's
a
close
place.
by.
But it's close by.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what the answer is, guys. Wow, 31 people got it right. Let's go.
My father told me once to go on a business trip to a place where they give massage. But there was a city in that place.
Sandeep, he needs to also have some dimes.
So you are the therapist, massage therapist.
She's a he, run! She said pataya, bro.
क्या कुछ करना पड़ रहा है point के लिए?
Okay, let's see what the answer is.
T-com is crazy.
Answer is Bangkok, guys. Only 28 people got it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, you been working out?
Yeah, so it's a place I go to where I can live, to where I can feel better about myself.
Where would that place have weights and equipment?
It would have weights, equipment, has everything, you know. I
Wow.
go in there just to build muscle.
But I lift weights too.
Is this a business your sister does?
It's not a business that she does. No, it's.
Guys, don't get carried away.
Oh, right.
Oh, okay.
Speaking of carrying, I carry a lot of weights in this place.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I work out my body and.
Okay, let's go. Let's see what the answer is. Let's have a look. It is gym. Next word, let's
My
go.
buddy Ryan, he takes care of me.
So this is a place you are selected and every day you have to come to this place and do work.
What would be the timing?
If you know the answer, type it. Let's go, let's go. More
Timing
lines.
is 9 to 5. This is a place which is called... Yeah, correct. Just type what you all said just now, man. Enough.
Answer is office.
Guys, are you ready? Habibi, come to. If anyone gets it wrong, I swear to God, bro.
Burj Khalifa is here, Burj Al Arab is here.
Batata, shawarma,
Yeah.
kifalak, shukbar, chief.
Those little cards in T-com.
Al Abwab Tughlaq. Al Abwab Tughlaq. Yes, as an American.
And the answer is Abu Dhabi? Oh my god. 33. They got 33 rights. They get a point. They get a point, okay?
Guys, pay attention.
Bro, you
Let's
can't
go.
just do that just because I did that.
Okay.
Cut my hair.
I want to also cut my hair and do eyebrows.
Type it.
Type it if you know.
What you just said.
Let's see what the answers are. Salon. Last word. Let's see what it is.
You want to watch that movie?
Yeah.
But where do you want to watch it?
In India somewhere.
In India somewhere?
Yeah.
In India, we call it a certain thing.
We call it a movie theater where I'm from.
Yeah, but I call it something that rhymes with Drinema ball.
Did you say drain on my balls?
Come on.
How did you know?
Okay, this show is not going to come out, I guess. Okay.
The show's not going to come out, but we are coming out tonight, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Because we are getting married.
Let's see what the answer is. Cinema Hall. With this, we come to the end of the round. Let's see who the winner is. Anand, once again, you win a staycation. Huge round of applause, guys.
I'm going to give it to you in the way that USA people are used to you getting it. No. I really have to say, what a phenomenal candidate. I mean, he got everything right. It was brilliant. We're gonna give him the staycation.
Oh, nice.
He's gonna be gay. It's gonna be fantastic. It's okay. Here you go, sir.
So he wins a staycation from Restaurant Room. Huge round of applause, guys, for Team Anand. This round will have only 5 questions, okay? This is the final round and has additional points. This round is called Conversations with Questions Only. There will be a riddle coming up on the screen. You need to guess what the location is. Again, a location, okay? This round is sponsored by Hungarian Games. Whoever wins this round will get escape room vouchers for 6 people. Riddle number 1 is, I am where your diet takes a break and your wallet starts to shake. You pay to sit, you pay to chew. Then tip me to where am I? And the answer is restaurant. Now they are going to face off and have only a conversation based on questions. That's it. If by any chance they give an answer, then the other team wins, okay?
Sir, what would you like to order?
What are your bestsellers?
Sir, whatever I will tell you, you will not order. So what is the point?
Are the French fries good?
Okay.
Sir, it is out of stock.
Out of stock. Sir, it is out of stock is an answer.
You have to answer with a question only.
Sir, I don't know. Oh, okay. Great job. Great. Huge round of applause, yeah. Huge round of applause. Next riddle on your screen. The next riddle is, I've got bars but no music, walls but no art. Once you're in, freedom is afar. Where am I? The answer is, let's see. The answer is Jal. Okay. Mounds are, oh, okay. We have stand-up comedians over there as well. Jail, okay. So guys, come to the front. Now, they will face off with only questions. The situation is jail. Let's start.
What are you in for?
Why am I arrested, man?
Didn't you ask the police officer?
Where's my food?
Why is it so hot here?
Do I have to work all day?
Are you comfortable in these clothes?
Point to Anand. Huge round of applause, guys. Yeah, I think we should have a huge round of applause for her as well, right? Come on. It's their first time to improv, right? I mean, Anand and Sandeep is fine, but them, yeah. Next riddle on your screen. Remember, you arrive with bags and hope so high, I send you soaring through the sky. But first a line, a check, a gate. Guess my name before you are late. I know you know. Type it, it's fine. We're giving you 10 seconds more to type in the answer. Let's see what the answer is officially. The answer is airport. So now Anand and Sandeep will face off with questions only, having a conversation. The situation is the airport. Let's go.
How much baggage can I carry?
How much you want to carry?
Oh, nice.
Why is the flight so late?
Why do you want the flight to be on time?
Oh.
Can I speak to your manager?
What manager you want to speak to?
Who is the higher up in charge here?
How much higher you want to be?
Forget about that. Where's the bathroom?
Where and which bathroom you want to go to? Men's or women's bathroom?
How many bathrooms are in this plane?
How many you want it to be?
Why are there so many screaming babies on this flight?
Why you want the babies to not scream?
You served me in veg. Why didn't you serve me non-veg?
Why not non-veg?
Why is there turbulence here?
Why there is no pilot in the plane?
What are you talking about? There's no pilot.
Why not a stewardess in the plane?
Okay.
Why does it have to be about gender?
Why not it can be about transgender?
Why are you taking my questions and just twisting them?
Why cannot I do that?
How long have you been working as a flight attendant?
How long you want me to be?
How long do you think I would want you to be?
I can be how much ever you should be, isn't it?
He answered it.
Huge round of applause, guys. Long pull. This is difficult. The riddle on your screen. Let's go. Let's see the riddle. What is coming up? You need to guess the location. Here you go. I rose from sand to touch the sky. Gold markets, islands, stars that fly. With tallest towers, malls and wide. So wide. Guess a city, full deserts, pride. What am I? If you all know the answer, think about what questions you're going to ask. Come on. The answer is Dubai. Let's go. Let's come in the center. Let's have a look. Let's have the conversation. You will start and then you continue. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Where is Miracle Garden, man?
I think it's somewhere in near the highway. Don't you know?
I don't know.
She answered.
I don't know. Nice one. Okay, great job. Team Anand gets another point. We have last 2 rounds just for you all. Conversation in a gym.
Coach, how much weight should I lift?
Why do you even think you can lift in the first place?
Why can't you think I can lift?
Because have you ever eaten healthy food in your life?
Why can't you? Why can't I eat healthy food?
Okay, what's your personal best record?
What you want it to be?
I'm talking about in deadlift. What's your lifting max?
What weight you think I can lift?
How do you expect me to coach you if you won't answer my questions?
Because you are a coach, isn't it?
That's right.
Yeah, that is a
No,
question.
that's right. I am your coach. Are you my coach?
Why I can't be your coach also?
Who signed up for this program?
Why do you want to know?
Who will interview whom?
Who do you think I am?
Who do you think you are?
Who do you want me to be?
Oh. Finally, Anand crumbled. Finally. So the winner of this round, the final face-off round, is Team Anand.
No, you realize all of these men are going on staycations. They're not taking me for these staycations.
You can ask him, man. You can ask him.
Oh, it's
This is a game room, by the way, from Hungarian Games.
bro.
So I think there are 4 people over here. There are 4 people here. You can take 6 people, so you have 2 spots, yeah. Huge round of applause, guys. The winner of the face-off is obviously Anand. Huge round of applause. This prize is given by Ahmed Al Maghribi. Do we have the CEO? Sorry. So this is a gift by Ahmed Al Maghribi, one of the best Arabic perfume brands in the UAE. Thank you so much, sir. Anand, sorry, but I have a prize for you backstage. After show, I'll give it to you. I'm so sorry. Let's see the winners. 3 winners. Let's have them on stage. Let's see who are the winners. Let's go. And the winners are... At 3rd place, we have Amanda. Anand, if you can give away the cash prize of 500 dirhams. Guys, make some noise, guys. Come on. Awesome. On 2nd, we have Roshan. Huge round of applause for Roshan, guys. Sandeep, if you can give away the cash prize, Sandeep. Awesome.
How do you feel after winning?
Yeah.
Amazing, yeah. Got a lot of help from the guys, so yeah.
Are you going to share?
Not really.
And the winner of game night is Mel 27. Huge round of applause, guys. Okay, guys.
Very interesting energy about
Bro,
you,
is
bro.
Anil
You're
Ambani's
Guju?
family?
No, I'm from Mangalore.
You're from Mangalore.
Oh.
Can you speak a little Kannada?
Konkani.
Konkani, that's...
Hey, Kannada barodilla.
He did like this.
Speak Tulu.
Hey, Konkani also. Konkani ulunga nagi. Konkani samakan uli re. Aise kai sangena ka.
Oh.
Does he deserve the cash prize of 2,000 dirhams?
Hey, he does it. Huge round of applause.
कौन चा सुने से ओली नस्ता ना रहा रे काले तुलु तुलु करते ये प्रॉपर मैंगलोरियन नहीं हो
Tulu. Eng Tulu Varku.
Bro,
Acha,
you didn't say anything. You just said ne Tulu.
Bro, I know Tulu, but
you know what? If they just start talking, they'll not stop. So, guys, thank you so much. Huge round of applause for the winner. Thank you so much for coming, guys. With this, we come to the end of game night. I hope you had a good time. Thank you so much once again. Have a good night and enjoy your Monday tomorrow. Have a wonderful night.